Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mock Sponge TV, daily training for Battle of the Negros Vloggers. Balbalanay sa Negros, ladies and gentlemen. Together with Lev, isa sa mga nagdi-training dito sa Rockfit Gym, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch our boxing sparring. Only here at Rockfit Gym, ladies and gentlemen. And now, it's showtime! This is for round 1. So, shoutouts sa nag-sparring ko kanina. Sobrang laki niya at sobrang tangkad. Nasa 6'2" siguro ang height nito. And shoutout na rin sa work and business ni Lev. He is working in HQ Panavision Aircon Services. So, if you need aircon, guys, you can contact him. He is practicing and training here in Rockfit Gym. So panoorin natin yung aming friendly boxing sparring. Magandang training rin ito para sa akin kasi nga yung makakalaban ko si Mamert Malakas TV ay halos kasing laki nito. Mas matangkad lang itong si Lev. Si Mamert naman ay medyo mababa ng konti. Halos kasing tangkad ko rin. So magandang training ito sa akin, at least maka-adjust yung katawan ko sa ganito kalaking kalaban. Malapit na guys ang bakbakan this coming February. I guess it's February 18. So, malapit nang masaksihan ang bakbakan, Balbalanay sa Negros, Battle of the Negros Vloggers. Max Punch TV versus Mamert Malakas TV. Shoutout pala sa mga nag-uusap-usap sa background natin. Divis Alejandrino Vlog, Ilonggo Vibes, and Maninoy PG. Shoutout mga lods. Magaling rin itong kalaban ko, si Lev. Tactical fighter rin. Isa siyang counter puncher. Naghihintay siya ng aking mga attack, and then he's waiting for his time to throw punches. Pero pareho kami ng pareho kami ng style. Pareho kaming counter puncher. So, hintayan na lang kami. Paunahan kung sino makauna makatama. Kaya, Mamert Malakas TV, umanda ka. Ito yung gagawin ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na malayan, yung sparring naming dalawa nasa muntik na umabot ng 5 minutes. Walang pahinga. So thank you for the opportunity given by Rockfit Gym to train here in their gym here in Libertad, Bacolod City. Malaking malaking opportunity para sa amin na makapag-training dito together with other vloggers. So itong kalaban kong si Lev ay isa siya sa mga nagti-training dito for fitness and fun. And dito sa Rockfit Gym, hindi lang boxing yung tinuturo dito. Mayroong jiu-jitsu, mixed martial arts, UFC, saka itong Muay Thai. So magandang opportunity na isa sila sa mga sponsors namin. Kaya we are here in Rockfit Gym training for Balbalanay sa Negros. This training is very important for us kasi malapit na yung bakbakan. So thank you so much again and again sa Rockfit Gym and kay Coach Ryan Bindalino, Coach Edward Laho. Thank you so much for welcoming us here in Rockfit Gym.
Busog ko tayo nalipong ako kung kayo ginaw. Damo na. Kaya duway sinadlok ni Igo yan? Dahil no? Dali nagagi sa dulungan, pakanto diyo? Dali nagabang gulong niya. Kok ka? Dali ko agad na pinagdadulong. Makalain kong puro diyo? Sa panga? Hey!
Right, that's it. Thank you so much, Lev, for the boxing sparring. So abangan ang Balbalanay sa Negros, Battle of the Negros Vloggers, ladies and gentlemen. Max Punch TV versus Mamert Malakas TV. Only here in Balbalanay sa Negros. Battle of the Negros Vloggers, ladies and gentlemen. This coming February na yan. So yung main event namin ay Julius Alejandrino Vlog versus Boy Tato.
And I would like to say thank you also to our sponsors, especially to Rockfit Gym, ladies and gentlemen, Visual Mind Multimedia Production, Resort Negrinsen, JLB Publishing House, Road Runner Rental Services, Ziputai, Dutai Eatery, Mapoy Pizza, Melongo Vibes, and Via Heroes.
That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.